Next up is another Chad set.
King of the Fairies.
Very popular set too.
I love this one.
It's got some sass to it.
Sassy. I love the sassy sets.
Sass element
Bring
is very key.
back the sassy sets.
Sassy sets.
Love it. S. Put it in S.
S tier.
Like, this is what I would want to dance to if I was going to do a set. Can you make me King of the Fairies?
Yeah, I can make you a King of Fairies. We've
like
been listening to a lot of sets.
It's like groovy too.
This one breaks up the,
yeah,
I don't
it's
say like monotony, but
you're
like,
just like gang. Just like, oh my god.
it does like.
What's a 76 sound like? Okay, fingers crossed. Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You can fit so much in there.
Yeah.
I mean, like, is it above rambling? It's above rambling for me. Yeah.
It's not above downfall.
No. It could never.
But it is for a lot of similar reasons. It is up there. This is all right. This is your pick. We only have 7 to go. This is the one, you know. All right.
Cool.
Cool.